Hello students, today we are going to discuss the chapter 3 of Beehive textbook, that is The Little Girl, and it is written by Catherine Mansfield. Okay, in this class you will get the summary, okay, with some key points. Okay, so let's start. By seeing this picture, what you will think? Okay, what do you notice in this pics about the parents? Okay, here is a little girl and the parents. Okay, you have to observe, father is sleeping, mother is reading. Parents are busy, parents ignore the child, there is a communication gap, or we can say generation gap. Means parents were not talking to their children, okay, and the children is not communicate to their parents. So communication gap is there, we found it. Okay, so let's the summary, that is the background of the chapter. This is the summary of a little girl, Kezia. Okay, Kezia, who was a little girl, and she usually remained scared of her father. Okay, the Kezia is the main character of the chapter, who was a little girl, and he remained scared of her father. For this reason, she kept a distance from her father. Okay, whenever he would be at home, means the father, whenever got a chance to be at home, Kezia kept a distance from him. Okay, why? She considered him to be as big as giant. Okay, she would often get nervous and stutter while talking to him. Means Kezia didn't have that type of courage to face her father. Okay, in short, we can say this. Once he was kept indoors on account of being affected by cold. That is the one incident. Okay, she was always injured. Okay, her grandmother advised her to make a gift for her father's birthday next week. Actually, grandmother understood her granddaughter, so she advised her granddaughter to make a gift for her father's birthday, which was happening next week. She suggested she would make a pin cushion for him. Okay, means the grandmother suggested Kezia to make a pin cushion as a gift. Okay, Kezia made a beautiful pin cushion. By the advice of grandmother, she made a beautiful pin cushion. But one mistake, unknowingly, she had been done. Okay, means she made a mistake. Okay, without any intention. What? She filled it with a paper that had father's important speech on it. Means for finding the stuffs, she just take the father's important paper that contains a speech. Okay, and when the father come to know, she was punished for the same. This incident further estranged Kezia from her father. Due to this incident, when she was punished on her palm by a iron rule, okay, this incident estranged Kezia. Okay, she would often look at the neighbors, but once she just look at the neighbors and see MacDonald is there, who just played with their children. Okay, in a joyful. Mr. MacDonald was such a good father and played so lovingly with his children. This is the thought of Kezia. By watching, she wondered he might be a different sort of father. Now she understood she might be different sort of father, not like her father. Okay. Once her mother fell ill, but on other occasion, she just experienced when her mother was hospitalized. She was left alone at home under the care of the cook. Means at home she was alone. At the time of night, she had a nightmare Nightmare, you understand now? And woke up screaming. Okay. She found her father standing by her beside. She found her father. Actually, her father, she thought that he was much rude, much tough. But at that time, she was their bedside. He picked up her up and took her to her room. Okay, she just picked means Kezia and take to her room. He tucked her up in his bed and soon fell asleep. Kezia felt secure lying near her. Okay, means now Kezia was feeling good. She realized her father was not as big as a Zion. Now new realization come to Kezia that her father was not that much means big as Zion. She felt that she felt a beating of her father's loving and large heart. When she felt means her beating were another part of her love. Finally, she realized her father was also very loving. At the last, she realized her father was very loving. So, in this particular chapter, we come to know about the parents loving towards their father. We have one little girl, Kezia. ओके जो स्टार्टिंग में सोचती थी कि उसके फादर्स और उसकी जो पेरेंट्स है वो इग्नोर करते, वो सोचती थी कि मेरे फादर बहुत ही रूड है। एक बार ग्रैंड मदर ने कहा कि ये कम्युनिकेशन गैप ख़त्म करने के लिए इट इज़ बेटर यू हैव टू गिफ्ट हिम ऑन हर हिज बर्थडे पे यू कैन गिफ्ट हिम, सो फॉर दैट ही जस्ट मेक अ पिन कुशन। लेकिन केजिया से एक गलती हो गई क्या कि उस पिन कुशन में स्टफ चाहिए था कुछ मटेरियल भरने के लिए, उसने एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पेपर को बिना पूछे बिना सोचे समझे उस पिन कुशन में डाला। ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे केजिया ने से जब पूछा गया तो वो बिना किसी झूठ बोले वो सीधे फादर को रियलाइज़ कर देती है कि मैं उस पेपर को पिन कुशन में डाल दी। फादर्स थोड़े देर के लिए गुस्सा हुआ और उसे पनिश कर देता। एक रियलाइजेशन हुआ केजिया को कि इट इज़ नॉट गुड। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फादर ही वाज, शी वाज मच रूड, वो बहुत ही रूड है। अंडरस्टूड। और फादर्स क्यों होते हैं, एक जियांट के जैसे होते हैं। नाउ शी रियलाइज देर इज नो मीन्स नो एनी लव फॉर द डॉटर। ओके, तो वो बाहर एक दिन मैकडोनाल्ड को देखती है जो कि बहुत ही हैप्पीली क्या करते हैं, अपने पेरेंट्स को साथ खेलते हैं। एक नया रियलाइजेशन इसके पास होता है कि फादर टू टाइप के होते हैं, एक मैकडोनाल्ड जैसे जो अपने बच्चों के साथ बहुत ही प्यार से रहते हैं और एक मेरे फादर की तरह टफ होते हैं। ठीक है, कुछ समय बाद उसकी मदर को हॉस्पिटल में जाना पड़ता है और ग्रैंड मदर भी नहीं रहती है, तो रात के समय वो अकेली रहती है। ठीक है, उसे नाइटमेयर आता है, लेकिन उसके फादर जब वो देखती है उसे डर जाती है, तो देखिए कि फादर उसको लेकर के उसके रूम में जाते हैं और उसे अच्छे प्यार से सहलाते हैं। उस टाइम उसे ये रियलाइजेशन होता है कि माई फादर इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट दैट मच टफ एज आई थॉट, जैसा मैं सोचती थी मेरे फादर भी वैसे नहीं है। ठीक है, इनका थोड़ा सा अलग वे है अपने अफेक्शन को शो करने का। ओके, सो लिटिल गर्ल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर देखें तो वी कैन रियलाइज देर इज़ ए कम्युनिकेशन गैप। कम्युनिकेशन गैप अगर बात नहीं करेंगे तो किसी से आपका कम्युनिकेशन गैप हो सकता है। सो दिस इज द मेन थीम ऑफ द चैप्टर। ओके, इन अ लाइव क्लास आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड द चैप्टर, सो regarding this lecture if you have any problem then you ask. Okay, thank you.